For those that are still doubting that you can make money just by creating emails, on this video I'm showing you a live withdrawal. So without wasting much time, let's dive into it.
When I tap on my balance now, you can see the amount I have here is $1.74. So for me to withdraw this amount, I'll just tap on this payout down here, tap on payout, and then you can see the type of cryptocurrencies you can withdraw in. You can withdraw in Theta, USD, BEP20, crypto bot, all of them, Tron and all of that. But me, I usually use Tron, which is TRX, or USDT BEP20. Yeah, that is the one I use most. And their minimum withdrawal is for Theta, their minimum withdrawal is $0.09. For crypto bot, you can see is $1.03. So for Tron, you can see $0.29. So when I tap on BEP20, that's what I will be withdrawing from. Then tap on BEP20. Then you can see enter the Theta address. So you go and copy your Theta address, your BEP20. For me, I usually use Spender for withdrawal. So Nigerians, I advise you to use Spender for withdrawal. But if you are not in Nigeria, you can use other payout methods, just like using your Bybit, your Binance, and all of that cryptocurrency and wallet. So let's go back to my Spender and then copy the address. When I tap on deposit, you can see there's no money in this account. That will be a proof that money came into this account. So tap on deposit. My recorder stopped recording when I entered my Bybit, so I was unable to record it. So what I tapped on last was on deposit, and then after deposit, tap on USDT. After USDT, select BNB Smart Chain, which is BIP20. Then copy your address. Then you come here where you see paste when this was supposed to be, because I've already created it. So you just tap on payout and then select the address USDT BIP20, and then you just paste it. Just paste it as I did here. You can see the one I pasted last. As I did, that is the way. Yes, you can just post this and then you can be able to withdraw. You can see the message. You can see this message here, which means that I've just withdrawn the amount here. Okay, you can see this here. Check out this. Then you can see this. This I show that I've just created the withdrawal. So I will pause this live here, and in few minutes I will come back to continue the live so that you will see the withdrawal I just placed right now. You can see the date on it. I just placed it at this date. So you'll be expecting the money in a few minutes. So let's wait for it. As you can see, the money has just arrived in my wallet. When I say that this update is real, many people say that this update is legit, not a scam. See, just that I will draw and the money has just arrived at my wallet. Let me just show it more. This is $1.70. This $1.70 now that I withdraw, and it has already arrived at my wallet. So this is the way that you can make money from this update. This update is very legit. All you need to do is just to create emails. I did a video about this before, so I will also share the link in the description of this video so that you can see, go and watch it, how to create it and how to do it step by step. I did a step by step tutorial on it, so go and watch the video.